And I don't hold with that. I'm not a good fit for the modern world. I realise I'm a really poor fit for the modern world. And my philosophy has always been, help people. Have some empathy for people. Do what you can for other people. That's the way you do it. That's what being a human being is all about. People don't care. Why should I care? People don't care. Nothing I do as an individual is going to make the smallest bit of difference. Yeah, that kind of says it all. I'm just so disappointed in the world. I'm so disappointed.
G'day, you absolute legends and also very caring people. This video I'm speaking to is not just the people who care about drones, but the people who care about people, because the granddaddy of FPV, Bruce, XJET, RC model reviews, the person who's been doing this longer than any of us, the person who arguably makes more noise, it seems to be quite a lot of noise, I've got to admit, Bruce, but the person who makes the most noise and has the most passion for our hobby, and the person who speaks up the most against the injustices that happen towards, remote ID and regulations and a lot of these terrible ideas that we have to suffer through. Bruce is out there always campaigning for us. However, it might be all over for his channel, and I need to make this video because I care about these things. I care about these little drones and flying around having fun, but most of all, and I think a lot of my audience as well, we care about people. Like that, it is about helping people, helping other people's lives, and I need to take 2 minutes of your day today just to explain this situation of somebody we all desperately care about, and to let him know that he's not alone, and to not to give up, but please to let him know that we are there for him. Bruce, we are with you. XJET, we have been watching all your videos, and I don't want you to feel alone. And I'm hoping that this and the people who are watching this, maybe they'll reach out to him, might help make his day just a little bit better. So the background, you're gonna need to know this. If you don't know who Bruce is, he's basically the person who started these FPV sort of channels and reviews. He's got RC model reviews, he's got XJET. Before Bardwell was making his videos, before I was making my videos, there was always XJET. Bruce, he taught me how to make my first drones. Watching his video sort of inspired me to make my first one, and I followed along and got up and got flying. But if you look at his channel recently and you look at what he's posting on his community page, I'll put some things up on the screen there as well. It's really sad, actually. Like that, he's talking about how his health has taken a toll for the worst. He's got a few setbacks. He's talking about stepping away from the channel, and he's also getting some copyright strikes as well, which sounds like complete garbage from some people to try to remove him from this space. He's saying he doesn't know if it's going to be going. He doesn't know what he's going to be doing, and on top of that, this is his livelihood we're talking about. On top of that, Bruce has some letters that says in his local regulations, he's not allowed to fly. It sounds the council is basically lying, telling fibs, really making it difficult for him. So how is an old man with Parkinson's that relies on YouTube and reviewing models in a complete safe way, he is the most safe person out there, meant to continue doing their job? He is just getting bullied around. He's feeling just looking at it, he looks broken, and it broke my heart watching that. So I wanted to make this and let him know that he's not alone. That how is he meant to do his job? It's a complete joke. And Bruce, we are here for you. I'm encouraging everybody to go check his channel out. What I would love us to do, if you want to write Bruce an email, please, or put some comments on his community tab. Sometimes, and this is when you are struggling, this community is great at supporting people, getting them, just making them feel like they're not alone. And I want to do this for Bruce out there. I love the content, I love what he does, and I love him as a person. And we need people like this who are arguing for our rights and against these silly regulations, and that we need those people in our hobby. And I'm so glad that Bruce is part of it. But if you're watching this, and maybe you haven't seen Bruce's updates, and he just always seems like he's been around and he'll continue to be there, that's not the case. Bruce really needs our support right now. Whether that be emotional support and just letting him know that, he's not alone, we like his content, we're here for you, how can we help? Whether you might want to go support him on Patreon, because he can't make videos right now at the moment. We've got to find a way to get him so he can continue to make some model reviews and those things. So I'm going to put his Patreon link. Look, please go check that out. But it's a really tough situation, but I know the people who watch this video, yes, they care about drones, but they really care about people. So this was just a short, sharp, sweet, hopefully, little video to let people know that's a big marsh fly that's going to bite me. To let me know, Bruce, you're not alone, mate. I've seen your community posts. I've been watching you for a long time. I've been a Patreon for Bruce for probably since I started. It'll be coming up on like close to 8 years or now or something for Bruce over there. So I hope things get better. Please let us know if there's extra ways that we can support and help you, because people do listen. It might not be everybody in the world, but I know there is a lot of us that often we don't know until somebody talks about it, just how bad it can be. And Bruce is not the sort of person to complain and whinge about, you know, his own life. And he really does sort of suck it up and gets on with it and battles on for us. But this is here, I'm battling for Bruce right now because he's a modest man. And I'm saying for Bruce right here, we as a community, we can do something for him. So if you've got some ideas, email me. If we want, we can figure something out. If you just would like to go support him down on Patreon, his link will be the first link that you see down there. Other than that, subscribe for more FPV related content. I've got some great stuff coming and I can't wait to show you. It's very, very exciting. But I just wanted to make this update for those people out there, mainly for Bruce, to let him know, mate, we do care about you. We love you. And I don't want you to feel alone. I feel your situation. I'm proud of everything that you've done. You've made a huge difference to my life, and you have impacted thousands of people around the world. And that might not mean much to some people, but I'm sure that it means something to you because you care about people. And I know the people that watch these videos, they care about people as well. So I just want to say thank you, Bruce. We're here for you. And that's it. It was just a little video today, but I thought it was important. So anyway, on that, subscribe for more FPV related content. And if you've got some I think other people should be talking about this as well. One of the greatest channels that's ever made. I haven't seen too much people talking about it, but I would like to see some big names. At least email. If you don't make a public video, people, please just maybe hit Bruce up and let him know that he's not alone. Anyway, subscribe for more FPV related content. Be kind to yourself and also be kind to others. And as always, happy flying.